Rocky Plays.
Again, welcome to another Rocky Plays. Today we're going to try what at the time was considered a very big game. This is Aladdin on the Commodore Amiga 1200. Now this is probably the most ideal way you can play it. It's using a WHD load, so there should be very little loading times. Now, this is probably one of the last of the sort of big games on the Amiga, because after that obviously Commodore went bankrupt and it was just, yeah, so this is one of the last sort of franchise games, 94. So I'm using my custom built, so you're going to hear a lot of clicky, but I don't care because I'm playing it and I like this thing I've built. So use Aladdin, and that's up to jump, single fire button to slash, so there's a bit of slowdown. I know it's on the Mega Drive as well, which is probably the more ideal way to play it. But, you know, at the time people were very impressed by this game. I remember people talking about it and stuff. Yeah, you can jump on the camel. So, if I jump on the rope, so grab the lamp, smash this guy, get the apple. Oh, there's the. I think that's an extra life. Certainly going to go for that again. Certainly. Alright, so it's kind of. Ah, start. Try again. Ooh, got that. Whatever it is. So it's kind of like up and down. We'll jump off that there. So I'm really not very good at this game right now. By this time, I had stopped buying Amiga games. 94. I'd had a 694. It was painfully slow, despite the upgrades I'd done on it. In fact, the end of 94 ended up with a 486 DX2 PC, 4 mega RAM, and I ended up swapping my original Amiga 600 with all its goodies for 4 mega RAM upgrade, which was, in retrospect, stupid idea, but hey ho. I ended up with the Wild Weird and the Wicked Pack back again, so I don't know how far this is going to take me back. Oh yeah, there we go, there's the... See, that's... I think by this point it had become clear that one-button games were not... Aladdin does have... Some versions of Aladdin do have multi-button support, but I can't get it to work, which is extremely annoying. This is more to show you what the game's like. I might actually fire it up on the... the Mega Drive next, just to have a quick look at it. That's my next Rocky Plays. I remember the camel was a big deal at the time. The oh look, the camels doing that. So up here, collect the lamp, kill the fat guy. Right. Oh, I've got a high score apparently. Or it just says about high score for no apparent reason. I think I might actually definitely do the next Rocky Play as Aladdin on the Mega Drive. Whoa, hey, there we go, Aladdin. Up you come on up and jump. There we go, grab some apples. And then... That's annoying because I'm... Right. Give up, street rat. Yeah, whatever. Right, so that was Aladdin, Commodore Amiga 1200. The end. Take care. See you later. Bye bye.